I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX.
Hey everybody, welcome to episode 3 of what happens to Windows 10 when the C drive goes offline. So in this episode we have a little solid state drive that I was testing after flashing the firmware on, and it seems to be working perfectly fine now. I got it hooked up to the Plexi with a temporary installed Windows 10 that I could care less about, so we're going to go ahead and dump this drive. We're just going to disconnect it from the SATA cable. Actually, no, I'm going to disconnect the power from it. So I got Event Viewer pulled up here. Let's see what happens with Event Viewer when I disconnect this drive, provided I can refresh Event Viewer. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect this drive. 3, 2, 1, disconnected. That Event Viewer's already froze up. Can't open the start menu. Everything's freezing up. The mouse still works. Oh, black screen. And there's our crash. So now the Plexi's going to boot off of its main hard drive. So, just like episode 2, we got a blue screen of death. Whereas in episode 1 we did not. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well everybody, that's it for this video. But don't forget, there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to Cube Computer channel. And also don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.